Okay, we've got Nikhil Batra also joining us. Let's just get into a conversation with him as well on the latest check for RIL. Nikhil, good morning. We were just doing the maths, and they look all set to reach that debt target by the end of the year.
That's correct. I think this PIF investment and these series of investments over the last 9 weeks mean that Jio has now raised over 115,000 crores or $15 billion against 24.7% of its platform. And it's actually the Jio's suite of digital services and that the carrier has built and continues to expand on. That is attracting majority of these investors. And the fact that Reliance promises to be a zero net debt company by March 2021, it pretty much looks like it's very much on track.
Okay. In terms of, strategically as well for Reliance, Nikhil, what's the way forward? We've now got 10, 11 checks piling in. There's going to be quite a high bar in terms of achieving the vision that they've laid out.
That's correct. I mean, over the years, we have seen the Reliance Group establish its business outside of petrochemicals in retail and expanded its customer portfolio to include hypermarts, media investments, content investments, and the biggest of them all was Jio, provides 4G greenfield platform, and this was a conscious shift within Reliance from an asset-heavy B2B model to an somewhat asset-light B2C or B2B2C business model, and I think Reliance Jio platform right now, there's a lot expected of this platform. The strategy was from Reliance end to gain control of the Indian telecom industry by having control of consumer eyes to begin with, and then invest in core infrastructure and software, connectivity and local broadband networks, the content side of things, conversational platforms with analytics and artificial intelligence automation, and all these investments kind of place Reliance really, really well on that path.
Nikhil, would an investor have already lost the opportunity to get into Reliance considering its upward path, or would you still recommend buying in at these levels?
I think there still might be an opportunity for the investors here, given the fact that we're right now talking about all these 10, 11 investments that have come in, and at the time when other telcos in the Indian telecom market are fighting their other battles, their AGR battles and other things, Reliance is focused on growing itself, and even there were some discussions around having some 5G rollout and some 5G testing that they want to go through. So I think that there still might be some upside there, but although Jio Platforms has put itself in a great position and repositioned as a tech platform versus a telco platform, they still have to figure out that effective monetization strategies. I mean, it will continue to come up against strong competitors in many of the spaces where it intends to grow, such as content, education, artificial intelligence, and the carrier is yet to showcase the ability to effectively monetize the Jio platform. So I think there is some potential, but with caution.
All right, Nikhil. We leave it there. Thanks for joining us this morning and taking us through all the buzz on Reliance and those continuing investments. Let's take a very quick break. Back in a moment.